This is Nerf Gun Reviewer 331 here today, and today's Nerf Gun review, I'm going to be reviewing the Nerf Mega DoubleBreach, which is I guess a shotgun look for the Nerf Mega series. This is actually a pretty old gun. I didn't get a chance to review it in the past. I'm going to just do it now. So, this gun's already loaded. I know that the ranges are pretty incredible. Seen to the fact that I can just hold it with one hand and not have to worry about like holding it like two hands and make sure I have enough, like if the gun's too heavy or too bulky or weird, like a Vulcan or a Stampede, or a Rapid Strike for that matter. But the gun feels almost like a very long rifle, but not as much weight. And like I said, this is fully loaded, has 2 mega darts in there, one on top, one on bottom. The way this works is that when I pull the trigger, it shoots one dart. I think it's from either the top first and then the bottom next. And at any point, you can reload when you have one dart left, like this. Or if you have 0 darts left, and then you can throw in two more in. For safety, for my sake, I'm just gonna put another dart in. This door can freely move up and down as much as you want. Now, but as soon as you pull this thing forward, it's locked into place. It won't budge until you pull that trigger. Now, the other thing that I thought was pretty cool at first, but kind of a little annoying, was this little piece here. This piece is supposed to hold 4 mega darts just by itself on the gun. Now, I thought, oh, that's pretty cool. I could use this. This is pretty awesome. And then I put it onto it and thought, oh, I can take it off now. It's not going to budge. You would probably have to disassemble the gun and take this whole piece off and then push it out from the inside, but regardless, it makes it, just looking at it, it kind of looks like a cosmetic piece that actually works. Now, it does have a tactical rail on top, 2 sling attachments, one on the front, one at the back. It's loaded. Now if I do an angle shot, the bounce back is powerful. It's a mega gun, I guess. It's supposed to be powerful. Its firepower is unbelievable. I guarantee this will hit 80 ranges just with mega darts, no modifications. And the weird part is that I can hold this like a pistol, but it's actually a shotgun. So the bounce back on level shots is pretty good. Now if I threw in 1 mega dart and did an angle shot, the same amount of power, just a little bit further. Like I said, the firepower is pretty impressive on this thing. The only thing I don't like about it is the fact that this door doesn't come down. This door doesn't come down unless you push it down, and that could get a little annoying. The ammo capacity is, I believe, 6. 2 for inside the gun, and 4 for just like holstered or put onto the gun via clip. Or clip onto the gun. The tactical rail on top is cool, but again, there's really no point to it. It's just got a cosmetics look to it. If I just threw on a modulus red dot sight, it goes on pretty flawlessly. And it actually looks pretty sick too. Pros and cons, like the ammo capacity is pretty decent. Now, if they had like another clip on this side to make it like double the amount of ammo you could hold from this side and this side, that would be pretty cool. But I guess they're going for more looks than actual, like more ammo holding. But then again, you could probably add like a 3D printed Mega Dart holder on the top. I guess you could do it that way too. But regardless, whoops. Okay. But regardless, this is a pretty awesome gun. This would make an awesome prop. The grip for the shot for the priming is I'm very comfortable with it. It's really nice. Has a pretty good look to it. The trigger feels smooth. No, there's no like stickiness, or it's not going to get stuck or whatever. The grip is a little bit tad tiny for my big hands, my big giant hands. It actually feels like it's digging in, like right around this area. And I believe it's this part here that digs into my hand. That kind of, it's a little annoying at first, but it's like, it's a Nerf gun. I can deal with it. And there are 2 sling attachments, like I said before, one here and one here. I believe that's it. Doesn't take batteries, all spring powered, like amazing performances. Probably a whole lot better than this thing. I reviewed this before in the previous video, and this is absolute garbage. I will be keeping the clip and the ammo, but getting rid of the gun. If you know anybody who wants a gun, especially a meditator, let me know. Anyway, the DoubleBreach, let's see, I've covered ammo capacity. Rate of fire is basically how fast you can pull the trigger. It does have slam fire, which is pretty cool too, but it's pointless at this point. Because if you have 2 darts in its place, you're going to go rapid fire for 2 darts. No, I wouldn't do that. That's my personal preference, because if you're to slam fire 1 or 2, you're already out of ammo. As soon as you go 3 or 4 or 5, it's like, you're out of ammo, dude. Nothing's coming out of your gun. Rate of fire is pretty decent. Just depends on how quick you can pull the slide back and push it forward, pull the trigger, and then repeat cycle for the next one. Reload time, very simple, very easy. Like I said, you pull this down, push the door down, load 1, load 2, push the whole thing back forward. Let's see, ranges. I haven't done much of a range test, but I shot it at the wall during this video. And it looks like those mega darts, the amount of what my terminology is called bounce back. Is when it hits the wall and how much force comes back. If it comes close enough or halfway, to me, that's usually like a good sign. That means, oh yeah, this gun has a lot of power. This has enough power to like shoot a dart to the wall and back. The wall is approximately from where I'm sitting to that wall that I shot at behind the camera is about 18-20 feet. So if it were to come back to me, that would be another 40 feet. But I can imagine the amount of, just looking at it, I'm guessing like 40 feet minimum, 60, 70 feet maximum, at least, with mega darts at least. I wish there was a modification or some sort of way I can just load one of these elite darts into here. Maybe I could. Oh, I can. Doesn't exactly work. Oh, great. And this is why you don't load elite, the smaller darts into bigger guns. Because they don't work. Oh my god. But regardless, if they had some sort of like ammo backwards compatibility where you can use elite and mega darts, instead of just one or the other. That would be pretty sick. No, I'm not going to reach that. So overall, I think I've covered everything. The specialty of this gun is supposed to represent a double, like a 12 gauge shotgun with a, I guess in a shotgun sense, shells here in its holster, kind of like the stakeout from Black Ops 1 is what I'm trying to reference more. Got it out. Looks pretty beat up. I don't think I'll ever use it again. There we go. So, I've covered all the terms, all the areas, I believe. The accuracy is pretty good, too. It's pretty dead on. I don't know what it would do with wind and such, but regardless. I will give this gun, I believe, go with 8.5 out of 10. Maybe, no, 9 out of 10. This is one of my favorite guns, I believe, just for the shotgun look and for the fact that it even performs like a shotgun, in a sense. You probably modify the Mega Dart to hold like 5 elite tips and kind of like shoot them like a shotgun blast. That would be pretty cool. But until then, hope you guys enjoyed the video on the Nerf Mega DoubleBreach review. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, understood the video. This is Nerf Gun Reviewer 331 signing off for today. I believe there was one other Nerf gun I had to review, but I don't remember what it was. But until then, I'll probably make a video and let you guys know. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you guys do comment, like, subscribe, and have a good day. See you guys later.